what's up? It's your boy Cornificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song Bad Habits. It's a single by Ed Sheeran. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys how to play this for the beginner player, the intermediate, and the advanced player. Just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 2, and we're playing the following chords. So the first chord is an A minor, which you hold open, open, 2, 2, 1, open, okay? And then we switch to G. G is 3, 2, open, 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 3, okay? So that's your G major. And then you go to F. This is an F minor, I believe, that we're playing. Which you play as 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Okay. So we have A minor to G to F, and then you play F again. Okay, so that's the beginner player would want to strum this. It goes like this: down, so my strumming pattern there is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, and you're just playing A minor to G, and then F. All right, so I'm gonna play the song in the background just to make sure I'm giving you guys the right chords. And then the intermediate player would want to pluck these strings. So for A minor, we pluck 5, 4, 3, 2. And then for G, it's 6, 4, 3, 2. And then for F, it's 6, 4, 3, 2 again, okay? So you have... Alright, and the good thing about this song is it has the same chords for the verse and the chorus. It's just the same thing throughout. I don't know if there's like a bridge that's going to change the chords, but we'll get to that real soon. All right, and then the advanced player would want to play it exactly like it sounds on the song, and that's like this. We have so things to note is A minor is the same. G, you can forget the 3rd fret of the last string, and then for F we are going to remove the index finger, so it's now 1, open, 3, 2, open, open, okay? And you're plucking the following string. So you have the first time you pluck the bass, which for A minor is 5th string, open, and the 2nd string, okay? So that's the first time. For each chord, you're gonna pluck them simultaneously. So you have simultaneous, so you pluck them twice simultaneously, 1, 2, and then you go to 3, 2, 1, okay? So simultaneous, simultaneous, 3, 2, 1. Simultaneous, simultaneous, 3, 2, 1. And then you switch to G. And this time your simultaneous is string number 6 and string number 2, okay? While you're holding the bass right there. So simultaneous, simultaneous again, 3, 2, 1. And then you go to F. And this time your simultaneous is 1 and 4, sorry, 6 and 4, and you go 6, simultaneous, simultaneous, 4, 3, 2, okay? So simultaneous, simultaneous, 4, 3, 2. So there we go. Yeah. So that F, remember to remove the index to get. Alright, so simultaneous, simultaneous, 3, 2, 1, and then you do the same here, simultaneous, simultaneous, 3, 2, 1, and then for F it's simultaneous, simultaneous, 4, 3, 2, okay? Bad habits. G, F, sorry, A minor, G, F. All right, that's basically it, but there is a, excuse me, there is a chord change somewhere around, somewhere close to the end of the song. All right, so I'm just looking for that so that I can give you the chords for that part. Give me a second. I think this should be after the second chorus. All right, so where he goes, we took the long way around, that part. So it should be after the second chorus. Okay, so that's essentially A minor, C, F. Okay, so hold on, let's scroll that back. Okay, so we have A minor, sorry, A minor, C, E minor, F, and E minor is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. So that we took the long. All right, so that's what you do for the first time. That we, A minor, took the long, C, E minor, and then F, round, okay? The long way around. So that's we, A minor, took the long way around. And my strumming pattern is down, 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 down. All right, and the second time you play A minor, C, E minor. Hold on. All right, D minor, and then F. Okay, so and then D minor. Sorry, D minor, and then F. What happens to you? So that that's intermediate playing, where you're adding a slap right there. It's a percussive style that fingerstyle guitarists use. So you're plucking the same strings that I showed you for the intermediate, and yeah, adding that tap in there. Otherwise, that's been it, guys, for this tutorial. Do subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.